Hey there, this is Steve, and we just want to give you a quick update here from Forex Trading Coaches about the results we've been getting here since September. As you can see, obviously the fall trading is kicked back in, finally. So we're going to look at our results link on our website, which is listed right there. You can go to that website if you'd like. Go ahead and pause the video if you want to go there and check it out. But let's go to those results page and take a look at some of the results we've been getting in the month of September. It's been pretty fantastic. So let's jump right over there and check it out. Alright, so this is our results page here that we've been keeping since May 3rd, 2010. A couple of things. Green boxes are trades that happened during the US Open. Orange are Asian, and blue is London. And so we're going to take a look at a few trades here. We're going to take a look at the pound CAD trade entry. This was an Asian entry trade. And then we're also going to take a look down here at the pound dollar trade that took place right during our live trading webinar, because we had a live trading webinar every single day during the US session. We hold one, and we also every single day send out a daily trading plan email to prepare all of our members to be able to take advantage of the Asian and London sessions. So that's how these trades get recorded. They either come from our live trading webinar or from our trading plan that we send out for our traders to use during the Asian and London sessions. So let's go take a look at when a trade pops quickly in our favor and our trade management, how that trail stops out. Alright, so on that pound CAD we were talking about on the spreadsheet over there, we talked about entering the trade at 1.800, which happened right here. And within 45 minutes or so, that trade had popped up 50 pips from here to here. Now with our trail stop system, with that much profit that quickly, when it came back down to this region right here, this is where our trade trail stopped out for profit for about 13 pips after the spread. Right now it's a 20 pip spread because it's the weekend, and so right at the end of Friday, our broker, the spreads go way wide, but typically they're 2 pips or less right in that region. And so that was a 13 pip profit when it trail stopped out right here. So in this trade, very quickly there was 50 pips profit. The next trade we want to talk about is a pound buy that happened right in the live trading webinar. You know that happened because it's green. Those are trades that happened in the New York session. And it was good for 50 pips profit. So let's jump over to the charts and talk about that one. This trade bought up right down here. We gave the entry out in our live trading webinar at 1.6348 here on the pound dollar. And within about an hour and a half, it too had popped up about 50 pips. And it moved into a time of the day when the market typically starts to slow down. So we suggested to our members at the end of our live trading webinar to go ahead and take the 50 pips profit. And they go ahead and they had that trade. The entry came right in here. All of our trades have a 30 pip stop loss. So on this trade we did almost a 2-to-1 risk to reward. And our results show that our system has been 80% plus accurate since 2009 and then of course 2010 here on the spreadsheet. So 80% plus accurate, almost 2-to-1 or better risk to reward. That's a great trade. Now no system wins all the time, so of course we want to show what a loss looks like, and this also came during our live trading webinar. And this is when the pound Aussie was in a huge downtrend. They came up for a sell here on 73.47, and then it just flipped over and came up whatever it's been 12 or 1300 pips in the last week and a half. So let's go take a look at this trade and see why we were really glad to be taking this loss. Okay, so the pound Aussie was in this really big downtrend. It wasn't really at a major area of support. It popped up when our entry came right here on this blue candle at 73.47. And we always have a 30 pip stop loss, so whenever you see losses in the spreadsheet, it's because it's 30 pips plus the 2 pip spread. And sure enough, it popped up right away, the 30 pips plus the spread, and stopped us out. But if we zoom out here a little bit, you can see what happened. This is why we don't hold and hope, folks. This is why we stop out when stop outs are required, because sometimes, look at that, huge reversal. This was this huge trend reversal that happened because prior to this entry here, when you look at the daily chart, you can see that we were in a major downtrend. And it reversed, so we lost a little bit at the bottom, and we've been buying different trade entries ever since. So, you know, when the trend changes, take those losses. Okay, just a couple more trades here. We have one on the Aussie that happened during the Asian session at 92.15. That was a really nice trade, and it shot down near our target for a nice price exit here for 105 pips profit. So let's go check that one out. Alright, so this trade popped into our sell level, 92.15. You probably noticed here on these charts we have a few of these different types of red levels here that are significant tradable levels, and you can see that it popped into our spot here at 92.15 and then immediately dropped. Didn't trail stop out, didn't break even, dropped all the way down, and gave us an opportunity to grab our pips right down here near this target for about 105 pips. So 92.15 down in this region, 105 pips after the spread, right back down to the support area to take profit. And then subsequently it continued to drop. But that was a 3-to-1 plus, almost 4-to-1, 3.5-to-1 risk to reward in the trade. And again, 80% plus accuracy. That is a really nice profitable trade that we gave out via the live trading webinar and via our daily trading plan, both, and it hit right here during this Asian session and dropped down. Finally, we'll talk about the pound Swiss that happened right during the live trading webinar as well for a 61 pip profit, entering at 51.59 for a buy. Let's go talk about that one. Okay, so this trade came in at 51.59, again, right off our red level, and then that popped up right back up near resistance, where price began to reject for a while and never trail stopped out, nor did it break even. Again, 30 pips stop loss, and it picked up about 61 pips profit on that trade entry. So again, another 2-to-1 risk to reward. Now obviously not all trades go 2-to-1. Some break even, there are some losses, but the opportunities for significant pips are definitely available when you trade the MACD system in the way that we show you how to do it. So if you want to come start making pips with us and also learn how to trade the way that we just showed you, then go ahead and go to forextradingcoaches.com today and get enrolled as a member. You can come join us in our live trading webinar. You can start getting the daily trading plan. You can learn the system and become a full-time trader like so many of our members are starting to do. All right, we'll see you in the members area.